SAP charges $3,000 to $5,000 per user for an ERP license, plus 15 to 22% every year just for maintenance. ERPNext does the exact same job. The software costs $0. Hosting starts at $5 a month. No per user pricing. Ever. Over 30,000 companies have already made the switch. It runs accounting, manufacturing, CRM, payroll, point of sale, and project management. All in one system. All in one system. 100% open source under GPL3. You can read, modify, and self-host every line. Deploy with Docker in minutes. No license keys, no vendor lock-in, no audit risk. SAP charges more every time you hire someone. ERPNext charges for server resources, not headcount. Enterprise software is going open source. The question is whether you switch now or keep paying.